Welcome to SKU Science. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust your demand forecasts at any level in SKU Science. Adjusting your demand forecasts is simple and powerful. The system provides a baseline forecast based on historical data, but we understand that you may have more up-to-date, local insights that affect future demand. For example, if you know a new promotion is planned or additional salespeople are being added to the team, you can easily make manual adjustments. Just click on the forecasted value you want to update and type in the new figure directly. The updated forecast is immediately reflected in the graph and table. And don't worry, we always keep the original baseline forecast in the background, so you can compare and measure the impact of your changes at any time. If you want to increase the forecast by a percentage, just enter it using a percentage format. For instance, typing 120% will increase the original forecast by 20%. We also offer a powerful tool called Forecast Addition. This feature allows you to update forecasts in bulk, quickly and efficiently. You can work at the item level, just like before, and modify individual values or use percentage adjustments. Modified cells are highlighted in red, making it easy to track changes. You can also aggregate your view. Let's say you want to see forecasts at the family level. Simply select Family from the aggregation tool. The system automatically reorganizes and displays data for that aggregation level. The forecast at this higher level is just the sum of the item level forecasts. And yes, you can make changes here too. Want to increase the family level forecast by 30%? Just enter 130%. SKU Science will instantly update the family forecast and cascade that change down to all associated items. You can then disaggregate the data to see exactly how each item was updated based on your change at the higher level. This allows you to maintain consistency and control across your entire product hierarchy. Thanks for watching.